To connect a fan to the primary low voltage cable, you will use a splice connector and connector wire. At the first fan location, position the primary low voltage cable horizontally into the channel of the splice connector. Close the splice connector by squeezing it shut. Ensure the internal metal needles pierce through both sides of the primary wire. You will want to keep your polarity consistent. ATMOX recommends the smooth side of the low voltage wire is positive and the grooved is negative. The connector wire has a blue and black wire. Blue is positive and black is negative. Take your blue-black connector wire and insert one metal tip of the connector wire into each side of the splice connector opening. Push both clips down to lock and hold in place. After connecting, gently pull on the splice connector wire to ensure that the connection is tight and secure. Then plug the jack at the end of the connector wire into the fan. Next, move down the low voltage cable and attach your next fan or accessory the same way. Remember, everything connected together will operate on the same output.